everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody. I am here today with a super exciting announcement. So I have been chosen to be part of the design team for Thoughtful Studio, and I have the very first collection here to share with you. But let me tell you a little bit about this company. So this company is brand new. Marie is the mastermind behind the whole thing. She designs the papers and the ephemera, and she just is such a wonderful person. If you get the opportunity to speak with her, she is so positive and she is just as friendly as can be. Now Marie is from Singapore and the rest of the design team is from all over the world. There are a couple of us from the US here with me, but I am one of 11 design team members, and then of course Marie as well. So there's 12 of us really doing layout designs for the collection. So this is the very first collection. This is called Tessa-A-Penpal. Show it to you, there we go, Tessa-A-Penpal, and it is called so each one, you can see each one. This one just happens to be the Happy Meal paper, and I will show all the papers to you in just a moment. So you cannot purchase these quite yet, but in February they will be going on pre-sale. So keep an eye out for those. It'll be on her Etsy shop, which I will share all the details as soon as I get them and that I'm able to share with you. But this collection that I have, again, is called the Tessa-A-Penpal collection. I am one of 11 design team members, plus Marie, of course. The Etsy shop will start pre-orders in February, and I will give you all the details, of course, as soon as I get those, and it will be shipping worldwide as of May. So the first collection will be on pre-order very soon. As I said, Marie is from Singapore. She is the designer, and she does design, from what I understand. I'll have to get more details from her, but from what I understand, she is a designer outside of this as well. That is what she does as a profession. So her collection is absolutely lovely. I will share that with you in just a moment. So make sure you go follow us on Instagram as well. It'll be hashtag Thoughtful Studio DT for design team, and you'll be able to see all of the layouts that we all share. Some of us are going to be doing process videos. Some of us will be doing blog posts. Everything, all the pictures, of course, will be shared on Instagram and other social media outlets as well. So make sure you keep an eye out. Again, that is Thoughtful Studio, THOUGHTFUL Studio, and I will give you all of the information in the description box below, so make sure you go down there and check out the details. But other than my announcement today that I'm on the design team, I wanted to also share the first collection with you. So my design team term is February to April of 2020. So the first layout I'll have with these papers will be in February. So make sure you keep an eye out for that, and I will be posting all of my layouts, of course, here on YouTube, as well as on Instagram and other social media outlets. So keep an eye, of course, on my channel for more details. But let me go ahead and share with you the papers. So these are 8x8 papers, and then I have all the die cuts here. So let me share those with you. This is a orange tone on tone. It's like an orange and cream. I've got dust on it, sorry about that. It's like orange and cream dotted pattern. This is a really pretty airplane pattern. It's got, the airplanes are kind of in a navy tone, and then the background is a light blue. This is the Penpal paper. It's got Penpal written all over it with envelopes and hearts. And this is kind of a very pale pink background. I'm not sure if the camera is going to read that. It's kind of like a pinky cream color. And then the envelopes are white with the hearts being red. And as you can see, this is the same paper, just with different color tones. This has a much darker, kind of rosier pink background. This is absolutely stunning. This is a floral. There's some leaves, but it's a really beautiful floral in blue tones. We've got this one, which, let me kind of give you a little funny insight to this paper. So I think it's really cute. I was just looking out on the viewfinder to see how it appears to you. So when I first looked at this, like the first couple times I looked at this paper, I thought it was like sketchy arrows. I don't know why, but that's just what my eye saw when I looked at this paper. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the colors of this one, but it's actually sketchy teapots. Can you see it? Teapots. But when I first saw it, I thought it was like arrows, like sketchy arrows, which I think that's a really pretty paper. This one has open envelopes with letters and stars. Some really pretty kind of distressed looking stars. This looks like burlap on the background. We've got this one, which are hearts. We've got green and blue toned hearts with some white and some tan or cream. I like this one. This looks like a crumpled piece of paper, and it has Happy Mail printed all over it. This would be really pretty to pair with maybe some tissue paper that's crumpled up and kind of have two different types of media that kind of have a similar look. This one is another airplane print. It's very similar to this one, but it's a smaller scale with different colors. And then the last one is this Happy Mail print, and it just looks like handwritten Happy Mail with all different colors. So those are the papers. They're super pretty. I'm going to kind of fan them out for you here. They definitely have a Penpal theme, which again, the name of the collection is Tessa Penpal. But I also like that you have a couple different motifs. You've got hearts and stars, you've got a couple florals, you've got the travel theme. So you can include like Happy Mail, Penpal with travel, with a lot of other things actually, because you have some that are not necessarily a specific thing, such as the polka dots, the floral, the teapot, the stars, and the hearts. So those are all of the papers. Aren't they pretty? So pretty. Okay, so those are the papers, and I'm going to share with you all the die cuts. I just have them in a large mug here because I thought it was really cute. This is my You're Stuck With Me mug that I got. I think I got this for my birthday, actually. So I'm going to share these with you. And since the collection is not released, I actually fussy cut all of these out. So some of them I kept together like this. You can cut those apart separately or keep it together. I kept it together because I thought it would be a really cute element to have together. So I've got dots. Just for you. Thanks, Mr. Postman. Post. Got some airplanes. Be my pen pal. Thanks for the Happy Mail. Appreciate your postal service. Ship to my pen pal, or ship letter to my pen pal. Right back soon. Another one of those. Pen pal, Happy Mail, pen pal. There's lots of the continuing themes. Snail mail, post. That's another one that I kept together that I could have cut apart. Airplanes. Pen pal, snail mail, Happy Mail. Don't you just love the colors? I really like this dark kind of teal color. Happy Mail. There's more of that in the elements than there are in the papers, but I think it pairs really well. Like this one has the teal, but this is a much bolder teal, so I really like the pairing of that. Pen pal, Happy Mail, Happy Mail, Happy Mail. Bunch of different ones. I've got letters and envelopes. Friends Forever. I think that's really cute with kind of the sketchy circle. Envelopes. There's lots of little die cuts here, as you can see. See, I'm not even halfway through. Ship to my pen pal. That's another one of those. Happy Mail. Look how beautiful. We've got a light teal, a dark teal, a pink, a kind of deeper, I don't know what color you would call that, a tomato-y red sort of pink. I like that you get all of them. You've got mail. I like that you get all of them in different colors or different variations of the same thing. So like this is Happy Mail, but with the solid background, and this one just has the lettering. And I did only print one of each piece of the collection, like one sheet of the die cuts and one sheet of each of the papers. But as I go through and make my layouts, I might print more. I haven't decided yet. We're gonna see what I end up using. I love these little airplanes. All right, so I will be having, I'll lay them all out so you can see them. I will be having 2 layouts a month for February, March, and April. So I will have 6 total layouts to share with you with this collection. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. Make sure you go to Instagram, like I said, and follow the hashtag Thoughtful Studio or Made with Thoughtful, hashtag Made with Thoughtful, or hashtag Thoughtful Studio DT. And Marie is at Thoughtful Studio on Instagram. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm really excited to be on this design team and be a part of this new company that Marie has started. She's already started designing the second collection and it is so cute. Oh, I'm excited about the second collection as well. But first, we will work with this collection and see what kind of beautiful projects I can make with these papers and ephemera. Thank you so much for joining me. I will be back soon, and keep an eye out for my first layout using these products in mid-February. All right, guys. Bye.